Genesis has unveiled a formidable vision of the future with the Gran Racer Vision GT concept, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of performance with an astonishing 1540 horsepower. This concept car represents Genesis' bold foray into the world of virtual racing, combining cutting-edge technology with aerodynamic precision to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. At the heart of the Genesis Gran Racer Vision GT concept lies its electrifying powertrain, meticulously engineered to harness the full potential of electric propulsion. With an impressive 1540 horsepower output, derived from multiple electric motors strategically positioned for optimal weight distribution and performance, the Gran Racer promises blistering acceleration and adrenaline-pumping speed on both real and virtual tracks. The exterior design of the Genesis Gran Racer Vision GT concept is a testament to aerodynamic efficiency and race-inspired aesthetics. Sculpted with precision and adorned with aggressive styling cues, including a prominent rear wing and aerodynamic splitters, the Gran Racer exudes an unmistakable presence that commands attention on any racing circuit. Inside the cockpit, drivers are enveloped in a high-tech environment where innovation meets ergonomics. A digital cockpit interface provides real-time telemetry data and customizable driver settings, enhancing the connection between driver and machine. Carbon fiber accents and racing-inspired seats underscore the Gran Racer's commitment to performance and luxury, ensuring a comfortable yet focused driving experience. Genesis' pursuit of perfection extends beyond raw power and design aesthetics. The Gran Racer Vision GT concept incorporates advanced driver assistance systems and safety features, leveraging artificial intelligence to optimize handling and stability at high speeds. This holistic approach to performance ensures that drivers can push the limits with confidence, whether on the track or navigating challenging road conditions. Beyond its technological prowess, the Genesis Gran Racer Vision GT concept symbolizes Genesis' commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. By participating in the virtual realm of Gran Turismo, Genesis not only showcases its engineering prowess but also engages with a global community of racing enthusiasts and technology aficionados, shaping the future of automotive design and performance. Looking ahead, Genesis remains dedicated to translating the innovations and inspirations from the Gran Racer Vision GT concept into tangible advancements in its production vehicles. From electric powertrains to aerodynamic enhancements, Genesis continues to redefine what's possible in the realm of luxury performance vehicles, setting new benchmarks for driving dynamics and sustainability. As automotive enthusiasts and gamers alike anticipate the virtual debut of the Genesis Gran Racer Vision GT concept, Genesis' commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and design remains unwavering. With each innovation and breakthrough, Genesis reaffirms its position as a leader in the evolution of automotive technology, offering drivers around the world an electrifying glimpse into the future of racing-inspired luxury.